This system is to supply 3 units solar containerized water desalination system for 3 communities in Mozambique, which will be used to treat borehole water into drinking water, with product capacity 3 cubic meter per hour. Each water treatment system is installed inside one 20-foot new container, which equips with explosion-proof lights, rubber floor, air conditioning, and ventilation fans. This is an industrial reverse osmosis plant producing water for shampoo. The process flow includes chlorination device, raw tank boosting, pump quartz sand filter, 2 in parallel activated carbon filter, 2 in parallel water softener anti-scalant dosing device, SMBS dosing device precision filter high pressure pump RO UV tank. All valves are composed of electric butterfly valves to achieve automatic operation backwashing functions. RO skid part, composed of 7 RO membrane shells. Each shell contains 6 membranes, a total of 42 membranes. Control panel, Mitsubishi PLC and 10-inch HMI. There are 2 cooling fans around the cabinet. High pressure pump is equipped with a variable frequency starter. Add the UV sterilizers, ensure that the water quality meets the standards.
Today I'm going to introduce 3 sets of marine water maker. The capacity is 500 liters per hour. WRO system designed for Singapore vessel. Due to the limited size of the skylight and the engine room, we have separated the SWRO system into 2 parts. The left one is the pre-filtration part, and this part is our main SWRO part. Shipyards. It's the same because the engines of the vessel is very small, so we have separated the whole system into 2 parts. Pre-filtration part, and this one is SWRO system part. Both these 2 types of SWRO system are very suitable to put in a relatively small places, especially on our ship or on our boat. And these 3 sets have a relatively small capacity. It's 500 liters per hour, and that one, these 2 sets, is 1,000 liters per hour SWRO system. If you are interested in these 2 kinds of marine water maker, you can contact us here. See you next time. Bye.